Hello everyone. Welcome to Asha Edu class. In today's video, we are exploring a simple and colorful mind map of the poem A Friend's Prayer by Jill Wolfe from your Class 6 English book. Let's understand the poem quickly through this visual summary. At the center, we have the poem's title, A Friend's Prayer. This poem is a heartfelt wish to become a better friend, full of care, love, and acceptance. Theme: the poem highlights the beauty of friendship, acceptance, and support. It reminds us that friends are a blessing we must value. Values: the poet talks about care, respect, and empathy, values that help us be true friends. Emotions: the poem expresses love, kindness, and gratitude. These feelings make friendship strong and meaningful. Actions: the poet wishes to do more than just talk. They want to help, understand, and see with the heart. This teaches us to act with compassion. Language: optional addition. The poem uses simple, heartfelt language with a soft rhyme to express emotions clearly. So students, what did you learn from this poem? Can you name one friend and tell what you admire most about them? This mind map helps you see the poem in one glance, easy to remember and full of meaning. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Asha Edu class for more simple and creative lessons. Thanks for watching, and keep spreading friendship and kindness.